I thank the Honorable Usamate for the question. Mr. Speaker, on the evening of 7th April 2025, a bullet casing was discovered inside overhead locker 338G on board Fiji Airways flight FJ910, which had just returned from Sydney. This discovery was made by security personnel during a routine pre-departure aircraft search before the aircraft was scheduled to continue its journey to Los Angeles. To provide some context, this aircraft had operated 3 flight legs that day. First, as FJ891 from Dallas to Nadi, and then as FJ911 from Fiji to Sydney, and then as FJ910 from Sydney back to Fiji. Immediately after the bullet casing was discovered, Fiji police were notified and conducted an initial investigation. A full secondary aircraft search was also carried out before any boarding resumed. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Civil Aviation Authority of Fiji, or CAF, assumed the leadership of the investigation and officially requested further details from Fiji Airways on 10th April 2025. Fiji Airways responded promptly and engaged its station managers in Dallas and Sydney to gather any possible insights into how the bullet may have ended up on board. The investigation considered several scenarios, including identifying the passenger seated in seat 38G on the Sydney-Fiji leg. However, as honorable members would appreciate, overhead compartments are shared and are not restricted to the passenger seated directly beneath them. This makes it challenging to definitively identify who may have placed the item there. A key challenge was the timeliness and completeness of available information, especially given the multi-flight legs and international ports involved. Despite best efforts, the investigation has not yet been able to conclusively determine how the item came to be on board. Mr. Speaker, sir, what is reassuring is that the bullet casing was detected being a standard aircraft security search, highlighting that protocols in Fiji are being consistently implemented. Though unexplained, the item was neutralized as a threat the moment it was discovered and removed. In response, Fiji Airways has enhanced its quality control measures across its network, especially at its international departure points. CAF continues to work closely with the airline to ensure compliance and vigilance at all levels. Let me reaffirm to this august House and to the traveling public that air travel remains one of the safest modes of transport globally. The coalition government, in partnership with CAF and Fiji Airways, is fully committed to maintaining the highest standards of aviation security. While this incident is concerning, it also demonstrates the strength of our systems that such objects are detected before passengers reboard. We are taking this matter seriously and are leaving no stone unturned in reviewing procedures to prevent any recurrence. We call on all stakeholders, including all our traveling public, to remain vigilant and cooperative in our collective responsibility to safeguard our skies.